Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add a buy now button in WooCommerce. Now before we start, I have to notify you that in order to access WooCommerce in WordPress, you're gonna have to pay for a paid subscription in WordPress. It costs like $40. Now I didn't pay in this account, I didn't pay for the subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally, and if you follow my instructions, you're gonna be able to complete the task and add a buy now button in WooCommerce. Now let's follow these few steps together. The first step is to install a plugin, and to do so you have to first log into your WordPress account by going to wordpress.com and entering the website. After that, enter your account credentials and log in. After logging in, you're going to be directed to your accounts dashboard. From here, go to plugins in the left sidebar. It's right next to the plug icon right here, and click on it. After that, go in the search bar and search for a plugin like WooCommerce Direct Checkout, and search for it. Now once the results appear, click on the Direct Checkout WooCommerce plugin right here. And as I said before, in order to have a lot of features in WordPress, you're gonna have to pay for a subscription. And installing a plugin is one of these features. Now, if you have paid for the subscription, you're gonna be able to upgrade and activate this plugin right here just by clicking on Upgrade and Activate. Click on Upgrade and Activate right here, and you're gonna have to pay for the $40 like I said. Let's leave that here. Now after installing and activating the plugin, the second step is to configure the plugin. And to do that, go to the plugin settings and enable the buy now button and set it to skip the cart page, taking customers directly to checkout. Once you activate and upgrade the plugin, it's gonna appear right here with the options like I said before. Now for the third step is to test the button. Visit a products page and click the buy now button to ensure it redirects to the checkout page. And that's it. That's how you add a buy now button in WooCommerce. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.